Hello everyone. As you know, S3-Link supports file versioning, which means if you have updated a file which is already present in S3, you can upload that modified file as a new version of that existing file. After that, users can also download or preview the specific version of the file. Let's see how you can do that. Navigate to the account record detail page. You will see the S3 files list. Click New Version from the menu for one of the existing S3 files and upload the modified file as a new version. Click on Choose Files and select the updated file which you want to upload as a new version. Specify the description of changes you made in this version in the What Changed field and click Upload, and this will upload the selected file as a new version. Now, let's see how you can download the version of that file. Click on the S3 file name in the S3 Files list in the Related section of the account detail. Find the S3 file versions in the Related section. Click on the S3 file version name link which you want to download. Click Download. Same way, click Preview if you want to view the file version. Thank you for watching.